In the ever-evolving world of education and training, learning management systems, LMS, have become essential tools for delivering online courses, managing educational content, and fostering collaboration. Among the many options available, Moodle stands out as one of the most trusted, popular, and versatile platforms. What is Moodle? Is an open-source learning management system designed to help educators create effective online learning environments. Developed in 2002 by Martin Dujamas, Moodle has grown into a global platform used by millions of educators, students, and organizations worldwide. It is highly customizable, scalable, and suitable for a wide range of applications, from K-12 schools and universities to corporate training programs. Key features of Moodle. Moodle's extensive feature set makes it a powerful tool for online learning. Key features include customizable course design. Moodle allows educators to create and organize courses with ease. Its modular design supports a variety of content types, including videos, quizzes, assignments, forums, and more, to keep learners engaged. User management. Moodle provides robust user management tools, enabling administrators to create roles such as teachers, students, and guests for smooth user interaction. Assessment and grading. With built-in tools for quizzes, assignments, and grading, Moodle simplifies the assessment process. Educators can provide feedback, track progress, and generate reports to monitor student performance. Collaborative learning. Moodle fosters collaboration through forums, wikis, and messaging systems. These tools encourage interaction between students and teachers, creating a more engaging learning experience. Mobile access. Moodle's mobile app ensures that learners can access courses and materials anytime, anywhere. Multilingual support. Moodle supports over 100 languages, making it accessible to a global audience. Open source flexibility. As an open source platform, Moodle allows users to modify and extend its functionality. Developers can create custom plugins and integrations to meet specific needs. Scalability. Whether you have 10 students or 10,000, Moodle can scale to fit any class size or organization. Why Moodle is the best learning management system? Moodle is widely regarded as a free and open-source LMS, known for its powerful, flexible, and user-friendly platform. It offers complete control over the learning environment, making it ideal for educators, trainers, and administrators. Moodle ensures robust security and privacy through secure authentication, role-based access controls, and compliance with data protection standards. With its extensive features, strong community support, and cost-effective approach, Moodle is a top choice for schools, universities, and businesses. Getting started with Moodle. Download Moodle. Visit Moodle.org to download the software. Set up hosting. Host Moodle on your own server or through a third-party provider. Customize and configure. Add plugins, themes, and courses to tailor Moodle to your needs. Start teaching. Create your first course, enroll students, and begin delivering content. Moodle Integrations. Moodle seamlessly connects with a wide range of external tools to enhance online learning and streamline workflows. Library and digital repository. Moodle integrates with platforms like Cohere and DSpace, giving users direct access to ebooks, research materials, and digital resources right within the learning environment. LTI integration. Through learning tools interoperability. LTI, Moodle connects with popular applications like Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, and Kahoot. This enables single sign-on SSO for a seamless and user-friendly experience. Student Information System SIS. Moodle syncs with SIS platforms like PowerSchool, Fedina, Gibbon, OpenSIS, and SchoolTool to automate tasks such as student enrollment, grade tracking, and attendance management, saving time for educators and administrators. Video conferencing. Moodle integrates with tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, and Big Blue Button, making it easy to host live classes, webinars, and record sessions for future access. Payment gateways. Moodle supports payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe, allowing organizations to manage course enrollments, certifications, and payments effortlessly. Assessment and proctoring. To ensure exam integrity, Moodle works with tools like Safe Exam Browser and Proctorio, providing secure and reliable assessment solutions. Content authoring. Moodle supports interactive content creation with tools like H5P and SCORM, enabling educators to design engaging and dynamic learning materials. Messaging and communication. Moodle integrates with communication platforms like Slack, Discord, Telegram, and WhatsApp, facilitating collaboration and real-time notifications for students and teachers. Community support. Moodle has a large, active, and supportive global community made up of educators, developers, and users from around the world. This community provides a wealth of resources, including discussion forums, detailed documentation, step-by-step tutorials, and shared tips and tricks. The community-driven approach ensures that Moodle is constantly evolving, with regular updates, new features, and improvements based on user feedback. This collaborative spirit makes Moodle not just a software platform, but a vibrant ecosystem where everyone can contribute and benefit. Visit moodle.org for more details.